Hey guys, a little while ago I found a mistake in Desmos. It's kind of interesting. If you graph x, y equals 0, it plots a line on the x-axis. And this makes sense. If you take something like the point 2, 0, if we plug in 2 for x and 0 for y, that gives us 0. So that's true. For every single point on the x-axis, this will be a true statement. But you know what else solves it? This point right here, 0, 2. If I plug in 0 for x, and 2 for y, that's also going to give me 0. And that's going to be true for every single point on the y-axis. So why are these points not plotted? There's something weird going on with the code, probably has something to do with optimization or something. I just don't know. But something interesting happens. If we look at all these points that are a solution, when we get to 0, it says 0 undefined. But it shouldn't be 0 undefined because 0, 0 works. If we plug in 0 for x and 0 for y, that still gives us 0. So it should just say 0, 0. So it's interesting, but for this video, I want to show something that this guy discovered. A link to his account should be attached in the title. Please check out his account. If I type plus 0x cubed plus 0y cubed, now look what happens. All the solutions are plotted. Let's make the graph thicker. The y-axis and the x-axis are shown here, all because of this piece right here. If I get rid of this, now it's gone. Even with the 0x cubed, it's still not there. But when you do that 0y cubed, now it shows both solutions. What happens if we just do the 0y cubed? What happens if we get rid of this? That is so weird. Now it only shows you the y-axis. What happens if I get rid of that? Because this 2, 0 here is a solution to this equation. If we plug in 2 for x, 0 for y, this is a true statement. We get 0 equals 0. It's funny how by plugging in different versions of 0, you get different graphs on Desmos. I love Desmos, Desmos all the way. I'm guessing since this hasn't been fixed that it must be a difficult thing to fix. There's got to be something in the code that we can't understand. How exciting.